Hey YouTube, this is Fireworks Stud. This video, I'm going to do Niagara Falls Assortment unboxing, and I'm pretty excited about it. I just opened this one to look what's inside it, so I haven't taken anything, I just barely opened it, and then I have all of those ones, and I'll do videos on those ones too. So we'll get started with this one. Get this open, box. There we go. Okay, it's pretty full for a little box. Bet you get your money worth. Here's two 100 strips with fat firecrackers. Pretty dang loud. Sorry to use some of those. Oh, and it's New Year's Eve, so I'll be doing lots of these tonight. I'm pretty excited. And then multicolor rockets, some bigger fire rockets. I think there's 6. Yes, there's 6. Next, there's a Saturn battery. I don't know that these come in here, but 25 shots. Those are pretty cool. I haven't had one of those in a while. Okay. Next, we have some Wolfpack bottle rockets. 2 12-packs. These are pretty exciting because some go really high and do what they're supposed to, but some don't, and they kind of spaz out and kind of cool. Take them out. Just red packaging and stuff. Next, we have some whistling Jupiter missiles. Probably can't see it because of the glare. There's 3 in here. Looks like those go pretty high, higher than regular bottle rockets. Hope they do. There's some bank snaps, just poppets. Boring. Tanks with stars. I love tanks. I like the ones with 3 ports though, because they blow up. And then we have 3 packs of Wolfpack Ladyfingers. These are cool. They're like mini firecrackers. You can see them there. I mean, they're small, but I heard they're pretty loud. And then 6 packs of jumping jacks. I like jumping jacks. They're basically small ground blooms, but they go pretty fast. I wish they would put more in those little packs. And then a happiness fountain. These are pretty cool. I'll do a video of those. There's 2 in there. And then next we have a plane flying at night. I'm expecting that. It's a kind of a spinner that goes in the air. I'm expecting that to go pretty high. It's pretty cool. Next we have, what is this? Cosmic Rain. Shoots floral shells. So I'm guessing it's like a single shot floral shell. And it's probably red. That'll be cool. I might do a video on that. Oh, it's pretty heavy for its size. It's called Dragon's Wrath. Pretty cool. It's a fountain. Cone fountain. I don't really like fountains, but they're fireworks are fireworks, and I'll take any fireworks. So morning glories, they're not the regular sparklers, they're the colorful ones. And then some ground blooms. I like ground blooms. I have tons of ground blooms if you watch my other videos. The next, probably one of the more exciting things in this is some 5-ball Roman candles. There's 6 in there. I like Roman candles, those are pretty fun to mess around with. And then I have lots of these small bees, just the helicopters that go in there that are pretty small. Pretty cool. Oh, and then there's some M88 firecrackers. Those look pretty cool. I've never actually had some of these, so pretty excited for those. I don't know if they'll be that loud, but they still look cool. But that's probably the best thing in here is the Copperhead mini shell kit. You see the effects back there. It's a mortar kit, and it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but I'm still excited to light it off. So, here's the effects: red wave, green wave, purple, green, peony, yellow, blue, peony, yellow wave, silver glitter, or stars. So those will be pretty good for how small they are. Well, so, thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, subscribe. I'll do videos on all of these ones, and probably more videos tonight. Thanks for watching.